The Business Innovation and Investment Provisional Subclass 18 visa allows you to own and manage a business in Australia, conduct business and investment activity in Australia, or undertake an entrepreneurial activity in Australia. This visa is for people who have a successful business or investment career and also have a genuine and realistic commitment to be involved in investing or business in Australia. This visa is a state-nominated 4-year provisional visa that is a pathway to the Business Innovation and Investment Subclass 888 Permanent Residency Visa. In this video series, we will look at the 5 visa streams available under the visa subclass in detail so as to help you understand what the visa is about and what obtaining it involves. Hi, I'm Buki Adelaja. I'm the founder of Youenrol Education and the presenter of Youenrol's videos, and you're watching yet another episode on the Youenrol channel. On this channel, we provide you with all the information you need about studying, living, as well as working in Australia without you having to pay costly consultant fees, no matter where you are in the world. Our mission is to make your life easier by being your go-to destination for up-to-date information about studying, living, and working in Australia. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, do click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on our new videos. For the Business Innovation and Investment Provisional Visa, you have a choice of 5 streams: the Business Innovation Stream, the Investor Stream, the Significant Investor Stream, the Premium Investor Stream, and the Entrepreneur Stream. In this video, we'll be looking at the second one, which is the Investor Stream. With the Investor Stream visa, you can carry out business and investment activity in Australia. You can also stay in Australia for up to 4 years and 3 months. You can bring eligible members of your family unit with you, as well as apply for a permanent Business Innovation and Investment Permanent Visa Subclass 888 under the Investor Stream. So what are the eligibility requirements for the Investment Stream visa? You must be nominated by an Australian state or territory government agency before being invited to apply for this visa. The state or territory government agency that nominates you must not withdraw their nomination after you apply, or the Department of Home Affairs will be unable to grant you a visa. You must also own and manage a business and personal assets and also investments. This requires that you must have managed a qualifying business or investment to the value of at least 1.5 Australian dollars, have assets of $2.25 million, make an investment of $1.5 million in your nominating state or territory. You must also have the right experience. This means that you must have at least 3 years experience managing one or more qualifying businesses or eligible investments. You must also have a successful record of eligible investment or qualifying business activity. You must have demonstrated a high level of management skill in relation to the eligible investment or qualifying business activity. You must score at least 65 points on the points test. You can get points for many reasons. This includes things like your age, English language ability, qualifications, business experience, net personal and business assets, business turnover, innovation, and special endorsements. You must have a genuine intention to live for at least 2 years in the state or the territory in which you have made the investment application. With regards to your age, you must be under 55. You will not receive an invitation if you are age 55 or older at the time of the invitation to apply for the visa, unless the state or territory government agency has determined your investment will be of exceptional economic benefit to Australia. You must not have a history of involvement in unacceptable activities. You and your partner must not have a history of involvement in business or investment activities that are of a nature that is not generally acceptable in Australia. You must also have functional English. All applicants aged 18 or over at the time of the application must either have at least functional English or you will be asked to pay the second installment of the visa application charge. You must meet the health requirement. You and any members of your family who apply for the visa with you must meet the health requirement. Family members who are not coming to Australia may also have to meet the health requirements. You must meet the character requirements. So you and family members aged 16 years and over who apply for the visa with you must meet the character requirements. The department may also ask that other family members meet the character requirements. You must sign the Australian value statement. So if you and your family members who have applied for the visa are 18 years of age or older, at the time of the application, you and your family members must have read or had explained to you the Life in Australia book. You must also sign an Australian value statement that confirms you will respect the Australian way of life and also obey Australian laws. You must have no debt to the Australian government. If you or any family members owe the Australian government money, you or those family members must show that it has been paid back or that there is an approved arrangement in place to pay it back. You must not have had a visa cancelled or a previous application refused. You might not be eligible for this visa if you have had a visa cancelled or refused while you were in Australia. So for how long can you stay on this visa? This is a provisional visa. So you can stay in Australia for up to 4 years and 3 months. If you applied before the 1st of July 2015, you can stay up to 4 years. The visa is granted with multiple entry, meaning that you can leave and re-enter Australia as many times as you want while the visa is still valid. The visa is valid from the date it is granted. This is a provisional visa. You must apply for a new visa if you want to stay longer. Once you have this visa, you can apply for permanent residence through the Business Innovation and Investment Permanent Visa Subclass 888 in the investor stream if certain requirements are met. If you apply for a Business Innovation and Investment Provisional Visa Subclass 188 in the investor stream before the 1st of July 2015, you will be eligible to apply for a Business Innovation and Investment Permanent Visa Subclass 888 in the investor stream after 3 years and 11 months. You can include family members in your application when you apply. You can also add your dependent child to your application at any time before the department decides on your application. Family members who apply for this visa must meet the health and character requirements. In order for the main applicant to be granted this visa, family members who are not coming to Australia must also meet the character requirements and might have to meet the health requirements as well. To work out what your visa will cost, use the visa pricing estimator on the Department of Home Affairs website. The estimator does not take into account the second installment or other costs. You might also have to pay other costs for health checks, police certificates, and biometrics. So where can you apply from? You can be in or outside Australia when you apply for the visa and when the department decides on your application, but not in immigration clearance. What are your obligations under the visa stream? You and your family members who are part of your application must comply with all visa conditions and Australian laws. In particular, you must commit to continue to maintain your investment and also comply with Australian workplace laws. To be eligible for the grant of a Business Innovation and Investment Permanent Visa Subclass 888 in the investor stream, you must live in the state or in the territory in which you made the designated investment for at least 2 years during the period your provisional visa is valid. You must also genuinely have a realistic commitment to continue to maintain business or investment activity in Australia after the investment matures. To be eligible for the Business Innovation and Investment Permanent Visa Subclass 888 investor stream, you must maintain your investment in an Australian state or territory for at least 4 years. Be aware that income that you earn from your investment in Australia is subject to Australian taxation law. It's recommended that you take out health insurance to cover any unforeseen medical treatment you might need in Australia. You are personally liable for all your healthcare costs while you are in Australia. Insurance can help limit your financial liability. With regards to travel, you can travel outside Australia and return as many times as you want while the visa is valid. However, the time you spend outside Australia does not extend the visa validation period. This concludes the second video in this series. Do watch out for the other videos on the other business innovation provisional visa streams. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon to find out when new videos are released. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.